everyone. I am Manisha Dhride. I am working as an Associate Solution Engineer in Tricentis. Now we are going to learn about the TC shell. This API is a command line API which is started via the Microsoft Windows command line, using which we can access the Tricentis Tosca objects. There are two ways to access the Tosca object by using the TC shell. First one is the interactive mode. In this mode, the commands are given directly through the CMD. So let's start with one example. This is an open URL execution list.
As you can see, I did not set the test configuration parameter for this open URL execution list. Note down the node path of the execution list, as this is used by the Tosca commander to identify the execution list and perform the specific task.
When we run this execution list, it will open the new tab in Internet Explorer, as Internet Explorer is my default browser. So the same thing we are performing by using the TC shell in an interactive mode. For this, open the CMD in an administrator mode.
Here, I am using the notepad as a background so we can take the better view of command prompt.
While performing via a TC shell, we need to first go to the TC shell path. TC shell is present in the Tosca installation directory. Just copy the path of the Tosca installation directory and paste in the CMD. So you can access the TC shell by using the TC shell.exe command. We want to open the workspace. Make sure to close the workspace where we want to perform an operation. Now copy paste the workspace path. Dash use the login. This is used to open the workspace and enter. Now the license is checked. Now our workspace is open. Use the jump to node keyword and copy paste the node path where our execution list is present. Now we can run this open URL execution list, but I need to open this URL by in Chrome browser. So for that I am setting the test configuration parameter as Chrome. So use the set tc param. Now your test configuration parameter property browser equal to your value. So it set your test configuration parameter. Now just perform the task run. So it start the running your execution list. So our execution is finished, and you can see here the Chrome browser is open and it opened the my website. Now the second mode is script mode. In this mode, the commands are written in a script file and this command will execute as per their order in a script file. After writing these commands, we need to save the file with .tcs extension. Let's have the one example. So for the script mode, let's take the same example as we take in the interactive mode. Write the jump to node keyword and pass the node path for your execution list. Then set your test configuration parameter browser as a Chrome. Then perform the task run which will execute your execution list. And last save which will save all the changes in your workspace. After writing these commands, save this file as a .tcs file. And for executing this .tcs file, open the CMD in administrator mode, jump to the TC shell path, write the TC shell which invoke the TC shell. Now workspace keyword and path your workspace path. Just copy this path. Now pass your credential. Now here pass your .tcs file path. Now enter. Is checking the license. Now it will open the Tricentis home page in the Chrome browser. Now you can see it opened the Tricentis home page in a Chrome browser. You can find these TC shell commands on the TC shell readme file. This file is present in a Tosca installation directory. Just go to the Tosca installation directory and search for the TC shell. It will give you one text document. Just open this document. Here you will find all the TC shell commands. Using these commands, you can perform any operation which is performed by the Tricentis Tosca. Like here, using this new workspace keyword, you can create the new workspace. Or using TC shell, you can perform the drag and drop operation, or you can execute the execution list or any Tosca object. Thanks for watching this video.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.